Alright, before we go to the video, I want you guys to show you that you can go to fandom, wiki fandom.com, and look for Thomas and Friends info. I'm looking at the page right now where I got all the available info for the train we just made. So let's go to this info right over here. It says technical details basis. The Reverend W. Audrey stated that Edward is based, and what I want to point is right here. In both the railway series and television series, Edward is depicted with a Fowler tender. So I'm doing the train according to the info that we can find here, and this is a Fowler tender. Okay, this is what we're talking about. Fowler tender is the regular tender that Edward has, and this is Edward basis. It's only the train, the engine right here. It doesn't count the tender. I understand that you guys point that it should use Donald or Douglas tender, but anyways, the idea is that I want you guys that you can do your own. But according to the railway series, on television, Edward has a Fowler tender, so I'm gonna stick with that. And I understand that you guys might not like it, but anyways, so let's go to this point right here. Okay, it can be assumed that before arriving on Sodor, Edward was painted in FR Indian red with black lining. The initials FR painted on the side of his tender and black wheels. It says black wheels. So I'm doing the train according to this web page because I do not find any other info, or neither Mattel, the company that has 2,700 workers, has figured out to make one of these trains. So anyways, I understand if you guys don't like it and you say that it's red wheels, I understand. Please show me your train that you already made on YouTube, because I don't see any other trains. You might say blah 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 blah, I understand, but I'm just please remember, this is a channel just as entertainment. You're not paying for this. You're not paying me anything. So you don't like it, I understand, and I don't get mad about it.